Hi traders, we're currently looking at trading the beginner strategy on the pound US dollar. This is a 4-hour chart that we're currently looking at, and you can see we're at an area of resistance or close to a level of resistance, and we also have a key level of support. Market direction is up on the higher time frames, and here you can see we just modify this on the 30-minute chart. There's that key level of support from the 4-hour chart. Price is currently bouncing it, and you can see the market direction is currently up. That's where the direction changes down at this down fractal. Move to the 5-minute chart and look for a trading opportunity now, and you can see we've just had this down fractal broken. However, we haven't got a second candle close just yet. So you see, if we do get a second candle close, we want to look at placing a buy stop by order just above that level. Okay, so let's just wait and see. There's the second candle close now. We've added the spread plus a pip, so we're looking for a breakout of that up fractal. The target is the daily R1 pivot, and the stop loss will go below the low. We don't have a fractal form just yet, so we'll need to modify our stop, but we can put it in sort of just below that level. So let's just put a stop in place for now just below that swing low. I'll look to modify it if a fractal appears. Let's put that in there, 56.45, and the take profit is up towards this daily R1 pivot. Just remember though that we do have that key resistance from the 4-hour chart above us, so we want to pay close attention to that area as well. So 56.89. So there's the order. You can see the entry, the stop loss, and I'll take profit up towards that R1 pivot. Okay, and that's in the platform. So you can see we've just had a fractal appear. Hasn't formed yet. We need a second candle close, but we'll modify that just at the tip. It's pretty much where we had the order anyway, so we'll just adjust that. So we're looking for an entry. We've got some news coming out shortly, so we're looking for a possible move to the upside here. Alright, so there's a second close now. Alright, here's the news, better than expected for the pound. There's the pop up. Just move to our platform. You can see prices up towards this little resistance area at the moment. Happened pretty quickly. Let's see if we can get a little pop into our take profit. So there's the working order. So we're currently 12 pips up on the platform. Take profit above. This line that I've put in here is sort of marking that key resistance area from the 4-hour chart, so I know where it is. So we really need to see price hold above this resistance. Remember, it's all about the closes. We're looking for that 5-minute close now. So this level right here is the resistance area price needs to close above in order for the trade to stand a chance of working out. Okay, so we're just down on the spread, about down a pip at the moment. Let's see what happens if we get this close. Ideally, we want to see price close back above resistance. So this level here, you can see price still not closed yet. This is the 15-minute chart. We've come off that key support area, which is very nice. It's a higher time frame key level of support. Nice bounce off with that news now, and we're looking in that take profit area. Currently two and a bit pips up. So there's a 30-minute chart. See the pop up, broken that up fractal. That's that base of support that we've shown you from the different time frames, and show you the hourly chart. You can see that level of support holding nicely. 5-minute chart now, looking for that close. Still haven't had a close yet. So that highlighted area right there is the problematic area that price needs to close above, okay, before we can consider getting paid. So you can see price close back below. That's not very good at this moment in time. Currently 3 pips up. We want to see price close above this level. Okay, still quite a bit of volatility in the market at the moment. Alright, so we've closed another close. That's a second close now below this level. That's not good. Really need to see price close above. Have a look at this area right here. We've got resistance, and then we've got this level just below us as potential support. I'll just move this line down. Have a look at this area right here. See how price holds as resistance, then back to support a few times, and back to resistance. So that level, this level right here, I'll highlight it for you, is where I need to see price hold if we're going to see a retracement on this, okay? You need to see this level hold in order for price to continue. Price moving back down, currently 5 pips down on the trade. This is the level I need to see buyers come in at, otherwise the trade's in a bit of bother. So I've just put some areas, you can see that level hold as support quite nicely. I've just put those blue lines as just alerts that I've got on my platform. Alright, so price is now having a go back up at resistance. Need to see price close above this level now in order for it to move up towards that take profit area. 15-minute chart, you can see the 15-minute. We had that close. There's a closed candle. Never closed above resistance either, so it's really what we're looking for now. 5-minute chart, and we're looking for that close. Very, very important now. Just shows commitment from the bulls. Right, so looking good. Currently 8 pips up. There's the close. Alright, so that's a good indication. That's a good sign for our trade. I'd like to see this level hold now support. So it's held as resistance. Now we've had the bullish close, and I want to see it hold as support. Let's see if we can get a push higher. So currently 7 pips up. Alright, so there's, you see how I use the level as support right there. Taking a leg up, 11 pips up at the moment. Need to see the next area of resistance, that fractal tip. That's the next problematic area. I'll just take that alert off. And you see this level right here. This is the real problematic area for us now. So you see how price is wedged between an area of support and resistance on this 5-minute chart. Only 9 pips up. Just have a look at the 15-minute chart. So that was the initial push up. We're looking for a close now. Close above this resistance on the 15. Just adds weight. There's the 30-minute. See a market direction nicely up. Came off that base of support with the news, pushing higher. Key base right there. That's the hourly chart. Looking for a close now on these higher time frames. So 5-minute chart, still battling at resistance. See that area of support holding. There's the close, but it hasn't closed above this fractal high. See that last fractal high of the day? Currently 10 pips up on the trade. Price moving back into the level of support now. So really want to see this level hold. By shifting its way, retracing. The bulls are just not being very strong. You see how close on support there. Now the next candle's moved right back below that level. However, it's into this next area. See this area of support here on the 15-minute? That's where we're currently finding support. There's the 30-minute. You can see also nice bullish engulfing sort of candle there at this area of support at the moment. Maybe we're never in the 15. There's the hourly close. Also nice bullish close. So higher time frames are looking good. There's a 4-hour, also nice bullish close. So we really need to see now if the bulls can hold on the 5-minute. Okay, you can see this candle moving right back in the range. That's really not ideal. We need to see this close back above that area of support in order for this trade to stop moving in our favor. So this candle holding above support, that's a good signal. I really need to see this hold above this level. And I'll take profit above us. Okay, this little fractal still a problem for us. Right here, still battling away at that area. But this area is holding a support, so that's a very good sign for now. This highlighted area is resistance. and that's really where I need to see price cleared. So holding at support. Let's watch for a close. Very, very important now. Looking for that close. Come on, let's get those above resistance here. Up 12, about 12 pips on the trade. Needs to clear this resistance area. Alright, so we've just broken. We're testing those highs now. Can we see the bulls commit above? Currently, yeah, starting 12 pips on the trade. 11, 11.9, there's your 12. So the close is, although it's bullish above support, it's not been able to clear the next area of resistance. See that support area? Can't clear this resistance area right here. Still a problematic area for us. So you can see we've closed right back in the range once again. Really need to see the bulls step in and push price up. Okay, remember we're up at this key resistance area as well on the higher time from the 4-hour chart. So we've now had this fractal appear. We need a second candle to close before we can reduce the risk. So let's wait and see what happens. Let's see, two things now I'm looking for: a close, currently 13 pips up, a close above this resistance area, and then obviously that second candle, so we can get the risk out on the trade or right down. So this candle is very important. Want to see it close above resistance. Still, we've been pressuring that level now a good few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth time. Okay, so there's the close. That's the fifth close. We can reduce the risk. So I'm going to move this stop right up below the fractal here. And there we go. So that's modified there, and that gives us around about 4 pips of risk. Okay, so the risk reward now is really, really looking good. Currently 13 pips up. So there's the area. You can see it flashing green now. Potential take profit area. Alright, just have a look at the 15-minute chart. Nice bullish close coming off a base of support. I like this bullish close at the highs like that. 5-minute chart. Still battling at this level. We've been here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6th time now. Just can't hold above the level. We've got a nice bullish close above this level. Then that's going to be very good for the trade. Currently almost 14 pips up on the trade. So there's 14. Come on, let's get a close now. Really want to see this close. This is very, very important now, because we're coming up to a very key area of resistance on that 4-hour chart. Also visible on the daily. 15 pips up now. Come on, let's see this close. It's going to tell us who's in charge here in terms of the market players. Okay, 15 pips up on the table. So here's the 4-hour chart. This is the level I keep mentioning right here. See that double top, that high? That's also clearly visible from the daily chart. And if you move back even further from there, I haven't shown you on here, but very key daily resistance. So 15 pips up, there's the level on the hourly chart. Just show you what that area looks like on a 5-minute chart, and why it's so important to use multiple time frames to find these levels. So you can see how if I compress this, I still can't see that level, and there's compress it right up, and now you can only see that level. So by using the different time frames, you see the 15-minute chart, you can't see that level very clearly. 30-minute chart also it's compressed. You can just see it on the left hand side of the chart there. Okay, and we're kind of trading right up to that area. So I'm pretty keen to watch this level. If we can't close above this level again, I'm going to look at taking profits on this trade. This area is now still just can't clear that level into this key resistance. Come on, close above for us. If it's closing below, I'm going to look at bailing on this trade. So this area above us, that's that key resistance, that double top from the 4-hour chart. Watching this candle closely now, showing signs of weakness. Only just shy of 12 pips up. Come on, close above for us. 12 pips up at the moment. Alright, I'm watching this candle. If we get this close below this level, I'm gonna bail on this trade. The price formation and this being a very key area of resistance, and we can't clear this 4 hour this 5 minute base of resistance. So there's that close. I'm gonna bail on this trade now. Just watching these ticks now, but this is looking pretty weak. So 13, you see this level right here, that rejection. I'm going to look at closing this trade out. 13 pips up at the moment, and it's just, you see it's still coming right back, looking very weak here. Alright, so I'm out of that trade. I've closed that out now. I don't like the look of price action on this. There's the trade I've just dragged on the chart. We made £1,330 on that trade, and because of this key resistance up here and the way price is acting on the 5 minute chart, I'm just not sort of keen to hold on to. There's that key level from the 30 minute or the 4 hour chart. Price has just been battling at that level for so long on the 5 minute chart that I think we're done on this trade. So you can see, just recap, price has actually come back. I've just sort of looked at this again, and it's retraced off that level. Okay, so it's pretty much caught the top of the session there at this moment in time. You could still hold, however, I think we've got a top in place for now. So recap, market direction was up on the 30 minute chart. 5 minute chart, we had a retracement and then a break out of this up fractal. Our take profit was the daily R1 pivot. You can see that level up there. However, because we had that double top on the 4 hour chart and price slowing on resistance, we took our profits. So basically just over 13 pips on the trade. That was the beginner strategy for the 12th of June on the pound US dollar.